We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to.
Good morning. There you have camera on your face early in the morning. Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty mommy.
Mommy, no more, I'm not doing so.
Let me move the camera forward. That's how she look like you.
Melanie, stop taking pictures of those. Melanie.
Melanie, if you want one next piece, take it.
Yay.
Yeah, you both stop taking pictures.
Melanie?
Watch Melanie in the iPad. Take it up, Melanie. Hold it properly so you don't drop it. Yeah.
And if I had
Yummy oxtail.
you Kai, not to mess with that mirror, you would have started crying.
Alright, come out to that pot now. Move. Move from the pot. You can't back over the pot.
The oxtail tastes tasty, guys.
The oxtail do what, Melanie?
The oxtail tastes tasty.
The oxtail tastes tasty. Alright, so we cut up some oxtail. And we're getting ready to take it to far, It's food. About to jump on the road. I have one big pot that can cook. This pot cook what? 11 pounds?
We're
It can
about
actually cook more.
to
But
take
it'll probably be a
those
struggle.
to far right.
About to do what, mommy?
Take those to far right.
Alright, we'll get to far right one in a minute. So we did some oxtails, some broad beans. Then we did some spaghettis. And then we did some curry chicken. And his food already got taken out, so the plate, the pot looked champa. Yeah? Look at that. Curry chicken.
Daddy makes it choppy sometimes.
Yeah, you know. Sometimes if you just go on, you're going. Daddy makes it choppy sometimes. What that mean now? Rice and white rice for the curry. Rice and peas for the. Oh my, babe. You make the rice and peas shelly this time. You never putty.
Go.
She don't know if you cook rice and peas, you know. I've been trying to teach her for years.
This man doesn't know the difference between
And then we have a
parboiled
baby.
rice and jasmine rice.
What kind of line I tell again?
You never knew the difference between parboiled rice, jasmine rice, or basmati rice before you met me, so please.
Wicked girl.
Please. Don't say.
And then we got fire food right here. So we got one container with his curry. This is curry chicken. Then we got one container. So I pack up in container them. And then I just turn it into a road trip for the day, you know. I'm taking all his stuff, go give him some hugs.
And talk to him a little bit.
His oxtail is right there. Kai, move from the pot, Kai.
And
I
eat
don't know
some
why you standing
oxtail.
there breathing over the pot. Other people gotta eat from it. So that's far. I'm stay up last night, you know. I sweat till 1 o'clock in the morning, you know. By myself, I cook rice and peas, I cook all that things I'm wasting over there, so all done by me. Melanie, stay in one place and eat, please, because you're dropping oxtail gravy on the floor. Alright, so when we come back later now, you just shell down some of this with some of that and call it a day. Yeah.
Babe, can
Here she a lie now. I saw me wake up in the morning, guys.
make
Yeah.
rice, you see it in life, but we make rice and peas. Sure.
You guys better taste
So you're trying to say I can't cook rice and peas? Is that what you're telling people?
Yeah, you can cook rice and peas.
You're wicked.
Sorry.
You're wicked. I thought you were my partner in life. You're wicked. Yeah, my enemy.
Try it, guys. Taste yummy.
Anyway, But come get ready to go up on the road now and do this trip. It's pretty outside today. See that? Well, I'm not showing you nothing, Carl. Yeah. Anywho.
Yeah.
Camera fog up. Time for a new camera for real. Alright, see that? Alright, bright and early in the morning. I haven't put my stuff in my eyes yet. I haven't put my makeup on yet. I haven't snatched my wig yet. So, that's how we're looking at morning, you know? My lashes not on, none of that. We'll come get ready to go up on the road. Baby girl. From this right here to that little terrace over there.
Hey, that's me on there.
How beautiful. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Baby girl over this one. Now say papa. Say bye, Kai.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
I want to be bye.
Bye.
Check out the genius of a man. Look on this. So I was trying to figure out how to put the rice and peas and the white rice. Cause the white rice are for the curry, the rice and peas are for the oxtail and stuff. And I try to figure out how to put them in a one big bowl, so limit the amount of containers you have to carry. It doesn't have a divider. You know what, babe? We can reach by morning, you know. Invent one of these with a division, with a divider like this. Jesus Christ, me just give you an idea. Edit out that part. And boom, look. See that? So that now, I'm gonna have to take this out and he'll have, watch it. Look on geniusness. Hold on. See that? See that, people? Blood clean from floor, you're smart, you know? You like it, cup? You like it,
Let me
Papa?
see.
You like it? Yeah. That's your brain at work, boy. See that?
Well, you did it. That means you're smart.
I hope so.
You better be smart for
Anyway, we gotta get going. Bye.
Bye.
Brother, I said when I call you, in big and can't follow instruction though. I said go back around the corner. Coco.
On my way.
Blood clot. Yeah. Alright, go back again. I could do it one more time. This is scripted, guys. Let Melania have to move out of the way. Alright. Coco. Come here.
Snaps.
What? Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah, I don't know why I'm still tired.
I can tell you why.
Why?
You were up until like 2 o'clock in the morning.
No, it wasn't. You woke me up.
No, bro. You were up. Well, Jay, go back around the corner.
Me?
Yeah, that was Jaden. I love gymnastics.
Gymnastic. Hold on.
Gymnastics.
Alright. Jay, come here.
It's Jada Gymnastics.
Good club. Jay, go back around the corner one more time.
Do it again.
This is take 2 or take 4. Scene 2. Alright. Jay, come here.
Aura.
Come on, Todd. You said aura.
Aura.
Alright. You ready, Jay?
Yes, I'm ready.
I might need
Ready
to
to permanently borrow some socks.
You might need to permanently borrow some socks.
Yeah.
Ninja. This might tell you about you can permanently borrow some socks. Hey, mommy. Hey, mommy. I love you, girly.
I love you, girl. I am the stick that food. You are, but what are you doing? Look, you know what that looks like? Look at his smell right there on the paper. What? Oh, okay, never mind.
Alright, enough of that. We gotta go. See you in a minute.
didn't sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go. All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over, it's about time. Oh, all sing your high line on the roller coaster of life. You've got to all choose your timeline with the roller coaster of life. Roller coaster. I want to go down the rabbit hole, down the rabbit hole of life. And now it's about to leave. Oh, roller coaster.
Them and their brother. Alright, so we reach. Let me turn this AC off real quick. Alright, so we got here, man. We last night I stayed up last night with wifey. Well, Shakira cooked like the rice and peas and stuff like that, and I cooked some of the stuff, right? And then we make sure, like, now Farai lives on campus and he has rice and peas with coconut milk. You know, we cook rice and peas already with the coconut milk. I'm on campus at campus housing. Of course, I'm not going to show you like exactly where my child goes to school, where he's housed at, and all these things. But this is a university campus that he lives on, in the dorms. Rice and peas. He has. Well, no, we did mac and cheese with fish last night, and we didn't bring him any of that. But for him, we cooked rice and peas with oxtail, and then we have curry chicken with rice, white rice, and then we have potato salad, and then we have Something else in oh, a spaghetti. Spaghetti. Rice and peas with oxtail, white rice with curry chicken, and a spaghetti. And we have each one of those is enough to last him for 2 dinners or 2 days each. So that's a week worth of food. He could stretch it to about 2 weeks worth of food. Cause wifey made me pack up the bowl with he got so much oxtail just now because oxtail is his favorite thing. Yeah. You know, this is what I was talking about when I said, like, when your children get older, you think, oh, I can't wait for my picnic reach 18 and come out of the house and go on to college and stuff like that. Man, he's out the house, he's away from home, and we're more worried about him now than ever before. Because he just lost a whole heap of weight, right? And it looked like him lose the weight because, I don't know, if him and him girlfriend did have something or he was studying so hard. He's doing cybersecurity, but this isn't cybersecurity where you get a certification in 6 months. This is a cybersecurity degree. This is where you go in depth into it. So you take years to get a degree in this field. Boy, the man look like he must study out his brains and not eat properly and just dropped a whole heap of weight. So when I saw him, I was like, damn, my baby lost a lot of weight. He's my baby. I don't give a damn how old he gets. He's still going to be my baby. And I told him that when he was like 4 years old. I said, I don't care how old you get in life. I'm still going to be hugging you up and kissing you up and loving you up because you're my baby. And you're going to be my baby for life, right? Not that I'm going to treat him as a baby, as a grown man, because I'm not. But in my mind, that's my first. That's my baby. With that said, we'll make sure Sam get him food. Because he came home and I think his brothers told me that he said the last time he ate a full meal was like a month ago. And I was like, what? Nah, don't do that. He has money, so it's not money. So I'm asking him, what is it? That why you not eating? He said, I don't know, it's just the way I've been eating. The boy go at the gym. Him have him fridge in him room in the dorm packed up with like yogurt and stuff like that. That's stuff that you eat when you're trying to lose weight, actually. That's not proper meals. And you know we are Caribbean people already, so our thing different. You know, we have to have a plate of food. And you can't be around here just dropping weight. So his grandmother worried. His grandmother was like, Lord, me see him lose whole heap of weight. Shakira worried. I'm worried. Everybody's looking at him like, man. But he looked good. He looked good. He's my son, so he's handsome. Like him, daddy. Yes, I'm conceited. But him look good. And we'll take care of him as far as that's my baby. You know what I mean? So boy, as a parent, your parenting never stop. And I'm learning that now. Because my children are just now getting big. For the people them whose children already get big and grown and gone, them know this already. Me no know this. I'm knowing it now. Because I'm getting to the stage now where it's like, yes, they're going, they're gone. I can't wait for my house to be peaceful. I'm going to be happy. They're out there doing their thing. And they're not. They are out there doing their thing, but you're still worried about them. And you're worried even more now because there is more for them to get into now. That what you're seeing behind me right there is his dorm. They live in on-campus dorms. And he's at a nice university. By the way, you know, that's campus housing. This is just one of the facilities here. It's a huge campus. Huge campus. I think across from his dorm they have, this is where they play field hockey and lacrosse. Field hockey and lacrosse. Right. Anyway, people, let's talk a little bit past the time. I didn't want to go in the dorms. His brothers and sisters, as you can see, just went in there. So they'll get, and you know what I love too? I love the fact that he is leading by example because he went off to college first. And then his 2 brothers are about to follow next. As a matter of fact, they graduate, they walk the stage and pick up their diplomas for high school next month. And after they do that next month, they're off to college as well. So they're going to be living on campus at some university somewhere. See me? I told my kids, I said, I want y'all to have the full college, university experience. I want you to live on campus. I want you to know what it's like to share dorm rooms with somebody. I want you to know what it's like to budget your money. I want you to know what it's like to, when the money gets low, you have to ramen noodles it until you get back your money up. I want you to experience the college parties. Not saying to go out there and do anything. I've guided you through life and taught you stuff enough to keep you safe from all the things that are going to damage you forever. But don't be afraid to live and experience. And I want them to do that. Because that's a part in life where even if you can go back to college when you're older, because in the US you can go back to college, or anywhere in the world, but we know in the US you can go back to college. All when you're 80 years old, you can still go sign up and go back to college. But your ass won't be 80 years old living in the dorms. And even if you are, everybody will be staying away from you because it's going to be a bit creepy. Dorm life in college, in university, is for young people who living at the dorm them, who is trying to get started in life, and I want my youth them to experience all of that. Once it's gone, it's gone. There they go. And they're coming back out right now. There goes Kosi. Kosi will be going off to play football soon at some university somewhere. He has choices. We have a Florida State football camp coming up. And then Papa is here. Everybody there. And there goes Farai, Jay, and Nika, and Milani. Baga, pick this SouFLo up. Anyway, I'm gonna shut this down. Alright? There he goes.
Daddy, were you just yapping to
There
yourself?
he goes.
I was.
75 kids later.
I wasn't yapping to myself, I was yapping to this camera.
Hi, yappies.
Hi, yappies.
Yeah.
She said hi, yappies.
It's Dean.
Everything feels good.
It fit good? Awesome. Alright, no problem, man. Where we going? Park. You got an address?
I gotta look it up.
Okay.
Yeah, it is.
I could probably take y'all there by memory though. It's downtown. You just left down here, then hit a left and then go to downtown. I'm looking.
Share, mother.
Before he might have to go get one of these right here.
What's that?
Is there a park down there too?
Better one right there.
Shit.
You sprayed the perfume inside here. I want a basketball court.
Not your shade first.
She paying for her kids too, she can pay for mine too.
That's somebody mama.
Knocking there.
Mama means the same difference to me.
I got the address.
Alright, boom.
Yeah, coach will be like, who the hell you is?
No, coach will be like, you're very dedicated.
I sent you a message.
I'll see the door. I respond for a reason.
Oh, that would be a shade.
Shit. I wouldn't know how to handle that. That's worse than heartbreak. Coach talking about, I see the door.
I'll see it.
All right, coach.
Oof.
Go home.
How do you stay respectful after that?
Come back.
Nah, you could easily just say stuff like, alright, coach. I'm out here checking it out, seeing what you got going on. I know you're gonna meet me out there somewhere.
You can go ahead and check out and leave.
I don't think he'll say all that.
Nah. I don't know, he stopped talking to Colston too. So
Y'all always attaching yourselves to somebody. That's the thing about you.
no, I'm saying though, it's like me and another and
There we go
Colston.
again. Me and.
Yeah, there's a bunch of like reasons why he could have though. Like you can't compare yourself to him. Colston's 5'5", bro. Like
Me and.
this is D1. Why would he be looking for a 5'5" running back?
You see what I'm saying, Coach Jaden? Me and. Y'all gotta get away from that me and shit. You and nobody.
Right at this stop sign.
You hear what Jen just said? Colston is like 5'5". And you over here talking about, he's not talking to Colston too. You're 6'4". What are you talking about?
Unless you're Deuce Vaughn, bro, no coach is looking for a 5'5" running back.
Stop attaching yourselves to other people, man.
Are we almost there, Vaughn?
Almost, not far.
Where you going? You going by yourself.
Left at the light.
Motorcycle.
At this light?
Yeah.
The land hogs.
I'm telling you, if you go over there and stand around, watch it. Just go and stand around and watch them play for a little while. Go stand around and watch them play. I guarantee you somebody is going to look in your direction and be like, what the fuck is that?
What does merch mean?
Opportunities are born a certain type of way. Who's that? Next thing you hear somebody talk to you. You play for us? No. Who you play for? I'm still in high school. What?
I'm listening to my narrative.
So I mean, you could drop me in J-No's and y'all go to the park.
What does merch mean?
Y'all don't have enough skills to finesse your way in.
So I finesse my way into other things.
I'm curious because y'all keep
What?
saying
I
it.
finesse my way into other things. I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, okay.
Merch?
Sure.
Put it inside.
Finesse your way into that ugly girl.
Alright, bro.
That was my wake-up call.
Character development.
What?
I call that character development.
Yeah. That's what you call it,
I call
bro?
it character development, bro.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Shit was AI.
If you ever have to go that route again,
Yeah.
just always stay single, bro. There's nothing wrong with staying single. Just stay single.
Yeah.
If you gotta choose between ugly and single, just choose single all the time. Oh, the little leaguers.
No, that's not my girl. That was the
That's 550 Maybach. Okay.
GPT. It's not about what's on the outside.
That's sure the fuck it ain't. That's what my eyes see. My eyes can't see your heart.
Is this it?
This part?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess we gotta park on the other side then.
What's
You
oral?
gotta park on the other side of the park to get to the park.
Oh my gosh, those birds are so cool.
What's oralist park?
Yeah, there's
Just steal
birds.
that.
Or less
Is
park.
there gym equipment in the middle of the park?
Oh, there's
Oral?
ducks inside here, not birds.
Huh?
I said, yeah, I was gonna pull up some.
Oh, yeah,
Those two. Those are ducks.
We can have.
That man is 5 feet tall. I hope he knows his son is gonna be about 5 feet tall as well.
What is the dog? Look at the dog.
Such a kind of peaceful.
I woke in a spot.
No way.
No way.
No, I took certain cars.
Compressor.
Yeah, supercharged.
That's the compressor. Compressor.
Germans don't want to say supercharged, they just say compressor. It compresses the air.
Well, it's probably because they walked in the spot.
30 on me, it's a truck.
All my people really walk.
Bow to the pressure of the outside. Come to me. Let me help you revive.
It's not a fancy facility, but it works, right? It works. At least you can come to the park and say you don't have to hold on to your pee and your poop. You have a bathroom that you can go use. Some places don't have no bathroom that they could use. They have male and female sides, but everybody is choosing to use one. So daddy protects the door because, you know, you have weird people out there. You send your child into a public bathroom and next thing you know, there's somebody in there with your child, right? All right, are you good now?
Yeah.
All right, come on.
I don't know what I would do without you, Daddy.
Oh boy.
Daddy, I bet it was from when I'm older, I will be holding it. Wow. I'm not going to do that. I am never going to do that. Oh boy, here goes the church class.
Look at Kai.
Let me feel.
What if he falls? I'm telling Kai that he could run track and field. Watch, she's gonna fall.
Oh no.
She looks like she's like barely making it. Look at Milani. Them kids are fast. They covered this much ground in that little space of time. Sheesh.
Why is there so many ducks though?
Oh, because they live in the park and they live here for free. And they're taken care of and they're protected. Which is a good thing. Some life around. This is where they have shows.
Ooh, can I go stand up there?
Literally have a stage in the park.
I want to go stand up there.
Go.
Okay, you gotta take a picture of me.
Want me to come take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, keep recording.
Nick is going to the stage.
I'm always on stage.
They're actually having church here. Religion and church is something else. Got these people in the park doing a whole lot of hallelujahs and a whole lot of speaking in tongues, and so this is the stage for the park. So they have live music here.
The lights are up.
And this is the stage. Could you handle that stage?
Oh yeah.
Entertain a crowd this big?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? They can't even see you anymore on the stage. Let me zoom in. Don't move. There she is. Wait, baby girl, let me take a picture.
Being on stage is fun, and I think I'd be okay with a crowd in front of me because that's what I'm used to.
Let me guide you to revive the light. Let me guide you to revive the light. 'Cause there ain't no way. Feel like taking over.
Was this to see who fell off first?
'Cause there ain't no way. Don't push back. Contents under pressure. Contents under pressure. Huh? Content under pressure. You can shake it anyway. Well, you can shake it